In this lecture, we are going to optimize the speed of our client's website. As you know maybe, or if you don't know, the speed of the website is really important for SEO of the website and also user experience of the website. You can imagine of yourself when you visit a website and if it loads slowly, first of all you will get frustrated, and if it takes a lot time, like this one, the time to interactive is 7 seconds, and if it takes around 10 seconds to load completely, then you will just leave the website. And if user experience is not good, Google will hate it, Google will not rank it, and also Google bots check your website themselves, and these bots rank your website by your speed as well. It's a most important factor in the ranking of the websites and SEO of the website. So before doing any other stuff, on page SEO stuff or off page SEO stuff, we are going to optimize the speed of our website, and we'll be doing it all for free in this lecture, but I'll also show you the premium version in next lecture, where you can do your website speed 100 by 100, but here we'll be optimizing our website speed by maximum rate. So right now here you can see the score of the website on mobile is 52 and on desktop is 83, and we are using a website hosting which is SiteGround. And this website hosting is recommended by a lot WordPress influencers as well, but you can see the results from this website hosting. But without optimizing, I think none of the traditional hostings can provide you the 90 plus score. So to optimize our website, you can will need a plugin, a free plugin. What you can do is you can just go to resources file and go to the link there, or you can just type in webifiedhub.com/10web, and you will be landed on the 10web landing page, from where you can get access to that plugin. So here you can just go to 10web booster, or just go in products and just select this page speed booster, and after click on get started for free, and here you will have to sign up first of all to get this plugin. So you can just sign up with email, or you can sign up with Google. I'll sign up with Google because I am already their user, so I'll just select my account. So this account is just for testing, and I am already their user, so I have already an account on 10web because I have already tested this website plugin, and already used this plugin, and I am showing you the I'll show you the live results as well. So I'm already their user, so I'll just click on got it. Now you have three options. Basically I'm their pro user, but with free version you can boost your website. These two features, like creating a website and hosting the website on 10web hosting, are pro versions, but you can optimize your website for completely free. So just click on optimize your website. Basically these two features would not be available for you after signing up. You will just get this feature, so you'll just have to click on optimize the website and click on download and connect, and it would download a plugin for you, which is 10web speed optimizer plugin. So here you go, the plugin has been downloaded, and now what you have to do is you have to go to your website dashboard, your website WordPress dashboard, to optimize your WordPress website speed. And here we are at the WordPress dashboard, and you would have to add the plugin that we downloaded. So just click on go to plugins and click on add new. Now there are two ways you can just download that plugin. First of all, you can just upload this plugin from here that you downloaded, or you can search for the plugin here as well in WordPress repository. The reason I told you about going to the website first is because you should sign up to connect it, because it would be server based optimization. All the optimization would be done on the 10web servers. So first of all, you would need to be a 10web free user to use this plugin. And here you go, just search for 10web and you got 10web booster. So you just have to click on install now, and it would get installed within a few seconds, and you can just install it. And after this plugin is installed, you just have to click on activate to activate this plugin. And after this plugin is activated, we'll just connect this plugin to our website, and the plugin will do it all. We don't need to select any option. We just have to click on sign up and connect, and then it will do the rest for us. Like, you don't have to do GS minification or caching or anything in the other plugins I have recommended. There are a lot other plugins that I have recommended in past. So you had to do the manual integrations, the manual things, but this plugin would do all the stuff for you automatically, and will tell you that these are the results you got with the website. So it's analyzing, so there are 4-step process. First of all, it's will analyze your current score, then it will optimize your front end, then it will compress your images, and then will calculate your new score. And basically this is for front-end optimization. Next lecture will tell you about, I'll tell you about the back-end optimization as well, where you can get 100 by 100 score. It might be 99 or 98, but it would be 95 plus. Okay, so let me just tell you about few things till the optimization is done. If you are a Bluehost user or any other web hosting user that is using some cache stuff, and some hostings might block 10 web caching, so you might not get results instantly. But after you will connect with the hosting company and ask them to clear the cache, and or you can just have a chat with the 10 web team and ask them that what is the problem, why I'm not getting the desired results, because I was using Bluehost and I didn't got the results. And when I reached out to them, so they told me that Bluehost is blocking that. So I just whitelisted, like they told me the process, I just followed that process, and I was able to get the results I wanted. Okay, so right now it's just optimizing. So I'll pause the video and I'll get back to you after everything is done. And here you go, after optimization we got the results. So first of all, the 10 web hosting has compared the results. Before, it was the desktop score was 83, but now it's 100. Oh, before without backend optimization. And the load time is 1.5 seconds, was 1.5 seconds, but optimization it's just 0.4 seconds. So your website would load on desktop within less than 1 second. And this is these are the stats from Google PageSpeed Insights. Okay, these are not stats by 10 web. Okay, and before a mobile score was 38 and now it's 95, and that's all for free. And the load time was 9.1 seconds and now it's 2.3 seconds. And as they are telling, website cache cannot be cleared, maybe that's not cleared, so you might have to contact your hosting to clear the cache, and then your website you would get that website speed. Okay, so now they are asking, you can always check the score on PageSpeed Insights and GT Metrics as well. So we'll just click on Google PageSpeed Insights and we'll just check what's our score right now. So it's just analyzing the score, and we'll get our score within a while. So it's analyzing. Maybe it would take some time, and here you go. So we got here you can see we got first contentful paint at 1.8 seconds, and then largest contentful paint at 1.8 seconds as well. And with desktop we are getting insane results. So these are the results you can get using this 10 web hosting plugin, and I think that's an insane free plugin you can use for front-end optimization, and you can also use it for back-end optimization. Maybe you do not get that much results, maybe your results are 90, 92, because it's a basic business website with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. Maybe your website is having some scripts and codes and tags that are heavy, and you might not get that much results because it varies with the design of the website and size of the web pages. So if you are not getting that much results, so you can watch out the next lecture, in which I have shared with you that after front-end optimization, how you can do the back-end optimization and optimize your website by 100%. So next, move on to the next lecture.